Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges for HP DESKJET 2820. To replace the ink cartridges, what you need to do, you need to open up the cover. Once you open up the cover, the ink holder will come to the center and position itself. Now, this is the ink cartridges. It's using 305 or 305 extra large. So this is 305 black. Okay, just need to pull off this plastic. Now the black color goes to the right and the colored one goes to the left. You will see a sticker here to show you as well. So you just need to go in and push it upwards and do the same thing to the colored one. This printer got 3 months of instant ink ready. And this one goes to the left. Go in, push it up and close it. And once you close it, then you just need to wait for the printer to set up. And you can see the ink level is full up. Initially there was a light here flashing, and once you store the ink properly, the ink level, you will see the ink gauge, it will full up. So this is how to install the ink cartridges 305 or 305 extra large for HP DESKJET 2820. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.